This is page 253. I started working out number 5. So this is how it was drawn in your book. It was shaded purple. And I wanted to show you where they cut it off. They cut it off for you right here. So they cut it off to make 2 smaller shapes. So this little square was right here. That's 12 yards and 10 yards. That's your length is 10, width is 12. And then for your big rectangle, they had 20 yards. And then the bottom, it said 28, but that was the whole way across. And since you removed this little square, this little section was 10 yards, so you're taking 10 yards away from that 28. So if you take 10 yards away from it, it equaled 18 yards. Now that you've divided your shape, you can solve your answer. The area is going to be length times width. For both of these, area equals length times width, okay? So your length times width on this one, let me check my answers, page 253. Yes, I have area equals 10 times 12. This is in yards. Then your area equals 120 yards squared. Over here, my area is length times width, so your area is going to equal 18 times 20 yards. When you multiply that together, 18 times 20 gives me 360 yards squared. Once I have those two areas of the small box and or square and the area of the larger rectangle, I have to add them together. So 120 plus 360, my area equals 480 yards squared. And then you want to box in your answer. So I did grab my paper and pencil, and I'm showing you this. This is how I worked it out because you're gonna need some space. They didn't give you enough space in the book to figure all this out and write your answer. Yes, this is going to be a little work. It's not hard. You just have to be able to take the time to do the work and figure it out. I love these because it's like they put the puzzle together and you're trying to take the puzzle apart. So it's almost like a little mystery, how to solve it. So these are really fun because I like using thinking skills and trying to solve the problem. So this was